Hello friends, welcome to everyone. In our previous video, we have seen what is a sidereal day and what is a solar day and what are the differences between a sidereal day and a solar day and how sidereal day and solar day are calculated on the earth. Now let us see the case of our first planet Mercury, which is one of the slowest moving planets on its axis, whereas the fastest moving planet around the sun. Let us see the case of Mercury. See, here is the Mercury. A person is standing on this planet and the sun is directly overhead the Mercury at this moment. Now let us see some of the statistics of Mercury. Mercury takes 58.7 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis with respect to some distant star. That is the sidereal day of Mercury. Whereas it takes 88 days to complete one complete revolution around the sun, because Mercury is very close to the sun, so a year of Mercury is just a quarter of a year on our planet. See here, now the Mercury is here and the sun is directly overhead the person who is standing on this planet. Now after 58.7 days, the Mercury comes here. It has completed one complete rotation on its axis with respect to some distant star. The person is standing in the same position like this. Now 58.7 days have elapsed. Mercury has completed one rotation on its axis, but I have seen that sun is nowhere to be seen here because the sun is on the opposite side of Mercury. Now by this time Mercury has completed 2/3 of its rotation around the sun. This is the path of Mercury around the sun. It has completed almost 2/3 of its path, and since it has not yet completed one complete revolution, the sun is not to be seen here. Now what happens by the time Mercury comes here? Let us see. Now again when the Mercury comes here, 1 year of the Mercury is completed, that is 88 Earth days, 1 year is completed, but by that time Mercury is coming from here to here, but it has completed half a rotation around its axis, because as we have seen 58.7 days minus 88 days, so 29.3 Earth days, which is half a day on Mercury. By the time Mercury reaches here, the person will be standing like this. So even though Mercury has completed one rotation around the sun, on its axis it has completed to 1.5 rotation, so the person is here and the sun is not to be seen. Now again another 58.7 days have elapsed and Mercury has come here. Now the person is standing like this. Again nowhere to be seen, sun is to be seen nowhere, because now again when the Mercury completes its one complete rotation and comes here, by the time the person will be seen here and the sun is again to be seen here. So after two complete rotations around the sun, it would have completed 3 revolutions around its axis, but sun is to be seen here. So by this time 176 days have elapsed, and that 176 day is the solar day of Mercury. So one solar day of Mercury is equal to 2 solar years of Mercury. This is the curious case of this planet, and no other planet in our solar system has this peculiar thing. Its year is longer than one's day. 176 Earth days is the one solar day of Mercury. Solar day. Whereas its 1 year is just 88 days. So 1 day of Mercury is equal to 2 years of Mercury. Thank you everyone. For more videos about this subject, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone.